Hey, Joseph from Magic Touch USA. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the T1 to make a quick and easy Father's Day t-shirt. We got a cool little logo here, the cool dad, everything every father would love to hear. You have your heat press set at 300 degrees, and with the Insta Press, we're going to press it for a whopping 5 to 10 seconds. After the 5 to 10 seconds are done, I'm going to use my cooling block, cool it off, and then peel it right off. It is a one-step, self-weeding, self-cutting transfer paper made for medium and light color shirts. It'll work on any fabric as well. So, once it's done, I'm gonna cool it off a little bit. I'll have to pop the shirt, and then a nice and easy, smooth peel. Perfecto. As you can see, you get a perfect transfer. Next, what you want to do is you want to make sure you use your T-seal to get the washability, durability, stretchability. You're gonna put the coated side down, and you're gonna press that bad boy for another whopping, depending on your press, to be honest, 15 to 30 seconds. I love to seal everything for 30 seconds. That way you don't have to worry about washability, durability, stretchability. This bad boy will last anywhere from 45 to 55 washes, no issues at all, okay? After that's done, you're gonna swing away your bad boy heat press, just like this. Take it off your sealer, put it away, and there you have it. You have a cool dad t-shirt. There you go. That is the T1 one-step self-weeding, self-cutting transfer paper printed on the Creo 8432 white toner printer. Any questions, comments, or concerns, just give us a call. We'll help you out. I appreciate it, and happy Father's Day.